She wrote the theorem that holds physics together. Almost no one knows her name. Emmy Noether was a mathematician working in Germany in the early 1900s. She discovered something so fundamental that it explains why energy is conserved, why momentum is conserved, why the laws of physics stay the same across time and space. Every physicist alive today builds on her work. Einstein called her the most significant creative mathematical genius he had ever encountered. He said it privately, because publicly, the institutions wouldn't even let her teach. First, they kept her out for being a woman. Then they expelled her for being Jewish. She fled to America. She kept working. She died in exile at 53, still fighting for the basic recognition her male colleagues received without question. The theorem with her name on it quietly runs beneath every equation in modern physics. The woman herself was erased. Her name was Emmy Noether. History's footnotes. The people the textbooks left out. Follow for more forgotten stories that changed history.